Inside this building, there is over £1 million worth of workplace technology on display. That's from LED to conference rooms. There's even a podcast studio. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll show you the best damn cinema room that money can buy. Now, before I show you around, I need to make you aware of something. 29th of January this year, we are hosting a live in-person event in this space. If you're interested in attending, you can get your hands on all of this stuff. Link is in the description below, but you need to be quick. We can only accept 120 people in the event, fire eggs and all that kind of stuff. Come on, let me show you around. This chair is going to be occupied by one of my clients. We're going to have a fireside chat talking about all of his offices that he has globally, the reasons he deploys the technology, and more important, how they maintain it all. And this isn't just a boring tech showcase where you go around stands and look at what technology is available. I'm also going to be hosting the next episode of my Future Workplace podcast live in this room with audience participation with an AI expert talking about AI and its role within workplace technology. Meeting rooms, furniture, dual screens, and more importantly, Microsoft Teams and Zoom working together at the same time. Mind blown. Boardrooms, you need a display, and you need a very good display if you've got clients coming in as well. All integrated with Microsoft Teams, obviously. Now, what people always forget when it comes to deploying boardrooms, and specifically AV, is the integration with the furniture. This furniture solution is integrated directly with the AV so that you're not getting mixed up. Now, do you want to see the best control room that money can buy? Control room. Is that my wife speeding again? Flexible rooms? Don't worry, stick it on wheels. Everyone has a huddle space, right? We're going to show you our huddle space with integrated furniture solutions so that you can very easily service any of the technology if it goes wrong. That means within no time, you can have your room back up and running like that. So if you're a member of the LED OnlyFans group, then this is the place for you. Check this out. LED here, massive one, bright lights. LED in the corner, modules, awesome. Big screen LED, and then finally, curved LED. OnlyFans, just make sure you clean up after yourself. How do I maintain all of this equipment? Well, thankfully on the day, we're going to demonstrate to you our Sport Track platform. All of this AV equipment gets loaded onto the platform and you can manage it all completely remotely. So, I'll see you on the 29th of January, but in the meantime, I need to take advantage of that cinema room, so I'm going to go and watch my favorite program. Alexa, play Liverpool's Trophy Parade from the 2023 title-winning season. My favorite.
Imagine this in your breakout area. That's going to bring people back to the office, isn't it?